talk about a clammy situation. A South Korean actress has been charged for eating endangered clams in Thailand while on a reality TV show, and she could face up to 4 years in prison if found guilty.
Well, South Korean broadcaster SBS has apologized for the actions of the celebrity contestant. Officials at Hat Chao Mai National Park in southern Thailand also filed complaints against Thai production company The Sixth Element that organized the filming for SBS.
The episode of Law of the Jungle that aired on the 29th of June sparked controversy among Thai viewers. Actress Lee Yeol-eum was caught on video catching 3 giant clams for cooking in a survival test, which she then ate with her fellow contestants.
SBS has since removed the video from its website.